Alright, I've been gone for a little bit, and now I'm back. I've been working, getting shit done, and I've come up with, that's what I'm calling the alternate system library. Some of them, like these flow controls, are your branching conditions, and they're kind of like the branch with these plugs, but like all of them. You can pick from every single one of them, and they're all for the different variables. Now I haven't made a bigger integer one with the higher integer value, but I might later. And those are pretty much the flow controls, and there are a couple that don't have that really didn't need all that, so I didn't make all that fluff when they don't need it. But I'm not really sure if these are gonna work. These really need more testing, but they're pretty much the same. Kind of like the branch controls right here, or the branch operators. I'd like some testing and feedback to see if they actually work properly. And if they don't just spam in the comments, it doesn't fucking work, you stupid fucking idiot, or something. Like, be very distinctive, like, potentially take pictures, or like show me what the problem is, or I'm retarded. You need to explain it to me like I'm a baby or something, maybe, I don't know. But like, I'm just saying, like, pictures, like showing me like what, I guess it don't have to be pictures really, it just, because it's mainly these double operators here, because a lot of this is using the doubles behind the scenes, and I'm not really sure if I have it running properly. There's a value, like a small threshold, that you're required to like check, because the float numbers go so low or something, and you can get like mistakes and errors if you don't have the proper damn, the number thing started with an E, but I can't remember what it was called. Either way, I need some testing to see if these work. And you got your print strings. These are just simple for me. Like, this one was just to print green and not have that there, and then this one was to print just to print on the tick, like just to be able to click that, change it, and then put the name and the string in. And as you can tell, it's pretty much like this, except you're not printing to the log, you're printing green, and the key is not a name, it's an integer, but it works. So I've just been using it to test things, so I included it. And then we have the state controls. Now, what the state controls do, it allows you to feed in a variable. It will save save that current variable to this one, and then make this variable what this variable was. So like, pretty much caching it and like saving the previous. So pretty much like right here, I've got it used here. What'll happen is if I tick this right here, this, which would be this, or no, this, right? Yeah, be this. So when this gets ticked to open or something, and this is closed, so this is going to become open, and then this is going to become open, and then this is going to become closed, because this is set like previous value, whatever this was. It's fairly neat. I kind of, it's written in code, but I kind of made it from like the ALS thing, because I mean, he had the macro library that had something similar to this in this, but I just made them into actual functions that work. But yeah, and I didn't start out with this, but I'm gonna make this one free. I'm gonna try to update it. Yeah, I know, if anybody can whine at me because of the ragdoll system is technically not out yet. I mean, I've got it passed through Epic like 3 or 4 times, but I just have to keep retweaking it because A, I'm stupid and I don't understand coding very well, or at least did not at first. And I still need to tweak a few things, put this library in there because there's a few things that this library could do in the blueprint for it. Oh, yeah, and I just learned how to do this too, like do these like tooltips like on the variables. But either way, like I said, I'm just up in my game, and this one pretty much I feel is like in a ready state, other than like needing tests from these. And they're not using any like Kitsman library or any of the other crap. They're not using nothing. It's just straight raw code. No Unreal stuff except for like the world and the engine, because you have to have the engine for setters, I believe. And if you want to have a setter in a like a system library or whatever. But beyond that, like I don't know. I would just like people to use it. And like I said, I'm gonna put it up there for free, and I'm gonna try to keep it updated. But I do take sabbaticals. I mean, I think it's probably been a good like 6 months since I uploaded. Well, this is what I've been doing, like all since then. It's just this. So like not just this, but like the ragdoll system, the interaction system. I whittled the interaction system down pretty good. It's only like the blueprint's very minimalistic. And actually, if I could learn how to like replicate these variables, I could write everything in code now. But yeah, I rambled on too much. I hope you like it. I hope it works for you. And I don't know, if you have any problems, just try to hit me up. Let me know. Peace.